Guys, so for today's video is gagawa tayo ng kanyang breakfast. Hello, little one! So, ayan guys, nag-ano siya. Kung nakikita niyo, naglalaro siya. Ang kulit niya, sinasabot-sabunutan niya ako. So, hindi pa ako nakakasuklay. So, ayan. Kanina pa naman kami gising guys. So, naisipan ko magawa ng video habang siya ay sobrang kulit na naglalaro. Meron nga palang bago siyang laruan guys. Imbis na Tupperware. Ayan, meron siya bagong Tupperware. And then, ilalagay niya yung dice. Ayan. Put dice in there. Yeah, good job. And then close, okay? Okay, good job. So guys, samahan niyo na ako magluto ng pancake para sa kanya. Napakalabo pa rin ang aking cellphone guys. Hindi ko pa rin ano tawag doon? Hindi pa rin tayo makabili ng cellphone kasi hindi man ganun kalakihan yung sinusweldo natin sa YouTube guys. Kaya, please supportahan nyo ako na mag-grow ang ating channel. Ayan. Kyrie, oh, only one. Then you have a one only. Can you put in the inside, please? Yan, guys. Alam nyo ba, guys, isang beses si Kyrie naiwanan, hindi naman namin naiwanan, nakatulugan namin siya ni Hubby. Ayan. Meron siyang sinubo yung takip ng Coca-Cola guys, sinubo niya. So natakot kami guys, buti nakita ni Hubby nakipag-agawan siya, kaso nga lang nagkaroon siya ng sugat dito kasi sobrang talagang kagat na yung takip guys. So pinilitan ni Daddy makuha. So ayan guys, samahan niyo na ako na magluto ng pancake ngayon. Ayun yung kanyang car guys. Ayun, yung car niya nakaharang po sa kusina namin. I-open ko lang itong light. Samahan niyo ko guys. Ayan. Samahan niyo ako habang ako ay naggagawa ng video. Ayan. Ito kasi di-remote to guys. Ngayon, itutulak ko na lang kasi nga si Kyrie gusto niya. Yeah? You want here? But mommy, oh my gosh. But mommy cooking something for you, okay? I cooking the pancake. Don't cry. You don't eat the breakfast, Kyrie. Don't cry. How to mommy cook your breakfast? How to mommy cook your breakfast? Oh. Guys, look at Kyrie. Okay. Look at Kyrie, guys. Kyrie. Oh. Just waiting for mommy. Be patient. Okay? Be patient for mommy. I'm cooking for something for you. You want in outside, but okay. If mommy put you outside, what are you doing here? You playing? Okay. Okay, ito na po kami. Hindi na po kami makaluto. Guys. Hindi kami makaluto ng aming pancake. Oh, how to cook your pancake? How to cook your breakfast? Oh my gosh. Okay, put on the car na lang. Okay, I can put you on the car, okay? Put on your car. Play in your car. Come on, play in your car. Play in your car. So what do you want? What are you doing? So guys, napakakulit. Tinatanong ko kung anong gagawin niya. Okay, put in the toys over there. Okay, you want kalong? Oh my gosh, you want kalong guys? Yan nyo guys. Kung saan yung sinusuksok yung kamay niya. Oh, wah! Okay. Daddy's girl. Di tayo nakapulit ng effort na. Kaya tayo mag-daddy's girl. Hindi kami makaluto guys ng pancake. Ano gagawin natin sa pancake? No. No. My gosh. Hala guys. Tingnan yung aming yung kusina namin. Ay, sorry. Tingnan yung kusina namin guys kasi nilagyan siya ni Hubby ng harang. Oh my gosh. Ayaw talaga magpababa. Up. Ayan guys, nilagyan siya ng harang guys kasi si Kyrie nga. Si Kyrie kumubuto dito guys. Super kulit. So meron kaming nilak na dyan. Ayan, nakalak siya. So, Oo, hindi tayo makakapasok dyan. Oh my gosh. Ulo, nasira na. Okay. Super kulit guys.